The police must do their job. They mustn't be reactionary. They must be proactive. The number of police that we have in South Africa, it's enough to station men and women in uniform in every area. We no longer have sector commanders in this area. That is why every problem, I have to call the police station, local police station. You can't see a policeman visiting like a few years before. We used to have warrant officers. Warrant officers were checking the statistics. How was the weekend? How was the previous week? There was interaction with the police. And this is now gone. No more. No longer exists. So police are hiding. We are not protected as farmers. We are not protected as entrepreneurs, people that are creating jobs. We are not protected as producers, people that are feeding the nation.